Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix call failed issues on iPhone. Method 1. Turn on, off airplane mode. Open the control center on your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open control center. If you have an iPhone with a home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Tap and enable airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. Method 2. Force restart your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Wait for the reboot to complete, then try to see if the call failed issues is fixed. For force restart instructions for iPhone 7, iPhone 6s, or iPhone SE, first generation, models that don't support iOS 16, see the iOS 15 version of this page. Method 3. Turn off Wi-Fi calling. Go to Settings. Go to Cellular. Tap Wi-Fi calling. Toggle off Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone. If you have dual SIMs, you must select a SIM to access these options. Method 4. Check for carrier updates and iOS updates. Go to Settings. Go to General. Tap on About. If there is an update, you will see a pop-up notification, then tap OK or Update to proceed. If there is no update, you will only see the About screen. Next, go back General. Then go to Software Update. Tap Update now if an update is available. Method 5. Enable automatic network selection. Go to Settings. Go to Cellular. Tap Network Selection, then toggle on Automatic. If you have dual SIMs, you must select a SIM to access these options. If automatic network selection is already enabled, you can try turning it off to select a mobile network manually to see if that can help you fix the issue. However, if even that doesn't work, you should move on to the next solution. Method 6. Select the correct network mode. Go to Settings. Tap on Cellular. Tap Cellular Data Options. Tap Voice and Data. If you have dual SIMs, you must select a SIM to access these options. Select 5G or any other network mode supported by your SIM. You may disable VoLTE if you're using 3G instead of 4G or 5G. Method 7. Removing the SIM and putting it back. Locate the SIM tray. Depending on your model, the SIM tray is located on either the right or left side of the iPhone. You will see a tiny hole beside the tray. Insert a paperclip or the SIM ejector tool, which comes with your iPhone when purchased new. The tray should pop up. Remove the SIM. By the way, gently clean the SIM with a dry and soft cloth. Put the SIM in the tray again and push the tray back into the phone. And you will get rid of call failed of iPhone. Besides, try with another SIM. Method 8. Enable caller ID of your phone. Open Settings of your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Phone. Now tap on Show My Caller ID and then enable Show My Caller ID by toggling the switch to On position. Method 9. Disable Dial Assist in iPhone Settings. Open Settings of your iPhone. Scroll down, then tap on Phone. Then disable Dial Assist by toggling its switch to Off position. Method 10. Reset network settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings again to complete the process. Method 11. Factory Reset iPhone. Go to Settings. Go to General. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue, then type the iPhone passcode. Then you may follow the on-screen instructions once the automatic iCloud backup completes. Finally, if none of the previously mentioned solutions were able to help you resolve the issue, you will have to contact your carrier or Apple to see if they can assist you. That's it, guys. Hope this useful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.